Hello everyone. Welcome to Ra channel. Today we will introduce the 5 best drawing software. Before going to watch, please like and subscribe. 1. Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud. Adobe Photoshop CC is still considered as the best drawing software in the market. It has a comprehensive set of tools that allows the creation and enhancement of illustrations, 3D artworks, and photographs. Also, it's capable of designing mobile and web apps, reproducing paintings in real life, editing videos, and many more. Essentially, this tool is used for bringing any idea to life. Support for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iPad. Free trial 7-day. Plans start for as low as $9 license Mo. CorelDraw. CorelDraw is a professional graphic design application that features all the tools needed for smarter and faster vector illustration, photo editing, page layout, typography and more. This drawing software has platform-specific versions. Therefore, whatever you're using to create designs, the app will always draw the device's full potential. There's a plethora of customization features and capabilities provided for graphic design as well. Support for Windows and Mac OS. Free trial 15-day. Plans start for as low as $16.50 license Mo. Paintstorm Studio. Paintstorm Studio is a professional digital painting software that aims to bring powerful functionalities into use in the most comfortable way possible. That vision resulted is an application that allows you to play with brushes to find the ones suitable for your need and style. It's available on desktop computers and iPad. Support for Windows, Mac OS, iPad and Linux. Free trial 30-day. Plans start for as low as $15 license Mo. 4. Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer is a smooth and powerful graphic design solution that focuses on speed, accuracy and improving users' workflow so that their creativity isn't hindered by technical limitations. This platform is made to utilize the full potential of modern computing hardware to provide you with fluid, responsive, and live user experience. Also, accuracy is a major feature in this product with its ridiculous zooming capability, flexible guides, advanced grids, etc. Support for Windows, Mac OS and iPad. Free trial 90-day. Plans start for as low as $19.99 license Mo. Paint Tool SAI. Paint Tool SAI is a lightweight but high-quality painting tool that allows comfortable and enjoyable creation of digital art. It features a simple yet powerful UI which is easy to learn, but is capable of performing complicated tasks that your work requires. Support for Windows. Free trial 31-day. Plans start for as low as $50 license Mo. If this clip is useful, please like this clip with 100 likes and click subscribe to not miss any new clips.